Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's May 17th, and I'm out here finally planting my cayenne peppers. And as you can see, they've been in these containers since January the 31st. So they've been about 3.5 months. And these plants are leggy. Okay, look like palm trees, some of them. And let's see here if we can get one out of the package here. Well, kind of pulled roots away from that one. Let's see if we can get another one out of here without being quite so rough on it. What I want to show you, these are really root bound. I'm not doing anything to them. I'm just making my little hole and I'm putting them in here. Now, for those that follow me, you'll see what these look like later. Now, I have planted some other peppers earlier that was about a month ago, and they've beginning to take off. But the reason I'm doing this video is for all of you that's out there that's giving people advice on leggy plants. They say you just need to start over, this and that. I'm going to tell you, put your plants in the ground. But anyway, follow along on garden updates and you can see what these cayenne peppers are doing. If you want to be notified, just hit that subscribe and make sure your bell notifications there. And of course, if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Happy gardening.